In this quick video tutorial, so we will going to see how to create the engaging Amazon product review videos from a simple Amazon URL. Okay, so for that, first we need to click the plus button on the simple campaign, and as usual just provide some reference name for your video. So in this case I'm just providing the Amazon review 1, right? And you need to pick the content type as Amazon review. Then it will ask you to enter your valid Amazon product URL. So in this case, I'm going to create the review for this particular espresso machine, right? So I just simply copy this product URL and come back here and paste it, right? That's it. So then if you want to change the default behavior of AIMagicStudio while creating the video, you can use this context box to provide the instruction to the AIMagicStudio to create the video. So we have provided that what to include manual and reserved words you can use, and the examples. So whatever examples you can use it here. So you just read it in your own time, and if you want you can use those. So for the simplicity for this video, I'm just leave this as blank and give the power to AIMagicStudio to handle this, and also the associate ID. So when you are doing the Amazon product review, the main purpose of the motive of that video is what? You want to earn affiliate commissions from that, right? So just provide your affiliate ID here, then that AIMagicStudio will give you, or while promoting that, while publishing that video on YouTube, it will automatically put your affiliate link in the YouTube description. So in my case, I'm just provide this is my affiliate ID. I'm just providing it here. And if you want to change the voiceover, use this language tab and the webhook. This is the premium feature. So through this, you can automate the video publishing to the various social media platforms using via that Zapier, make.com or Pabbly Connect, etc., right? And here that video dimension, I'm just making it as YouTube shorts or YouTube video, and this time I just go with the YouTube video as a video dimension. Okay, so that's it. So now I simply click the submit button. Now the AIMagicStudio creates a custom review script tailored for the product. So let's wait to complete the magic. So if the video takes more than a minute or two, you will get the information like this. So it will tell you, you just go back and do your other works. So once the video is getting ready, it will be displayed in the simple campaign dashboard in a created status. Okay, so for that I simply just close this and come back to the simple campaign dashboard, which will show the list of videos that I have created already. And if I go back to the last page, so now if you see that Amazon review 1, the status is scheduled. It means video is not yet ready. Let's wait for a minute or two and come back on the same page by refreshing this page. Then we will see this status as a created. Okay, now I have refreshed this page, and if you can see, the status is created, right? So let's click this button to go into the video editor. Okay, now I want to change the layouts and styles, fonts, colors of this video. So for that we can use this. So I simply go to that layout and choose the 2-column right layout and apply the layouts for all the slides. And in the text section, I don't want to have the subtitle on this. I simply off the subtitle, sorry, slide text I don't want. I simply on the subtitle and click the save, apply to all slide and click the save. And if I go to view the preview,
introducing the Philips 3200 series fully automatic coffee machine, the ultimate coffee companion for coffee lovers.
Right.
With 5 aromatic selections, you can enjoy a...
So it has a info is a SEO optimized title. It has given here clips and the description and the tags. Those things you can use in your YouTube. So that's it for this video. I will see you in my next video.